In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add someone to a space in Wrike. If you're new to Wrike or simply need a refresher, you're in the right place. Adding a colleague or collaborator to a workspace is a simple process that we can complete in just a few moments. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to Wrike's official website at wrike.com. Once you're there, locate the login button, which you'll find at the upper right corner of their homepage. Click on that and enter your email to log in. If you haven't logged into Wrike before or it's been a while, make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, you need to navigate to the specific space where you want to add someone. Spaces in Wrike are essentially dedicated areas where teams can collaborate on projects, so selecting the right one is crucial. Each space might contain different teams or projects, so make sure you choose the one relevant to the collaborator you're adding. Now, within your chosen space, you'll notice a gear icon. This gear icon can be found either next to the space overview in the sidebar or right under the space's title. Click on it. This is where you'll be able to adjust the settings related to space members and sharing. Next, you'll want to find the section labeled Manage Members and Sharing. This is where you manage who has access to the space and what they can do within it. It's an essential tool for keeping collaborations organized and secure. If the person you want to add to the space doesn't yet have a Wrike account, there's a simple way to get them set up. You'll see a plus button. Click on it. This will allow you to enter their email address. Once you do that, you can assign them a user role, welcome them with a personalized item, and even leave a message if you like. In case the person you want to add already has a Wrike account, the steps are slightly different. You can simply search for their name or email in the designated search bar, and then select them from the list that appears. This will immediately associate them with the space. For those of you on a business or higher subscription, you have the added flexibility of customizing their access role. You can choose from a variety of roles like full, editor, limited, or read-only, depending on what level of interaction they require. Once you've made all the necessary selections and adjustments, don't forget the final step, clicking the Save button. This is crucial because it ensures all your changes are applied and your new member is added successfully. And there you have it, quick, easy and efficient. With these steps you can keep your team's workflow seamless and collaborative. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.